Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market technically for next week. That means next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down market fundamental terms and support, resistance, and trendline zones to find out our proper path or market direction, or our key zones or entry point. Okay, so as per our trading step, we have to start our analyze with higher time frame, then we will find out our market direction or market entries from lower time frame. So let's get back into weekly time frame first. As you can see there, for the weekly time frame, as you can see there, after previous 2 week bearish movement of the market, and we got a little bit bullish momentum from the market. Okay, we have a long-term buying movement, that means buy movement or bullish movement from the market. After that, we got two bearish movement over here, and then in last week we got a small bullish candle. Okay, so this is the current market situation and market scenario, and as you can see there is long-term buying from the market, and also there is some key fundamental factors. Number one is US court. Okay, US court has announced that they will review Donald Trump's tariff, is that legal or illegal. Okay, number two is Russia and Ukraine, where Donald Trump really want to speak with Russian president, that means Putin. So they want to sign a ceasefire once again. And another one is Donald Trump recently met with Chinese president, and they just agreed with 10% tariff reduce. And there is a lot of fundamental factors and many more. We will talk about that in our fundamental analysis section. And let's get back into our technical analysis. If I want to see the daily time frame, that means D1 time frame, and if I want to draw the key resistance area, as you can see there, market tried to break that particular area many times, but it's unable to break that. And in our this resistance support zone, it's just trying to go up from that particular area. And the reason behind it, that is US court just want to declare or just want to ensure that Donald Trump applied a lot of tariff on many countries. So is that legal or illegal? Okay, maybe there is a big calculation coming and a big unstable or uncertain momentum coming on the market, because Donald Trump applied a lot of tariff with a lot of countries. So we have to keep our concern on that, and for that instability, gold may go more bullish from the next week. So let's find out our proper path or direction in each one time frame, and I will try to understand or trying to find out market zones and key point. As you can see there, as per this trend line analysis in H4, as you can see, the market just give us a breakout from that particular area, and it's just trying to create a pattern. And from my assumption, from fundamental and technical both side, okay, from both side, market may be going to move bullish. So we have to find out more accurate or more direction from the market. So if I want to draw a support area, as per I said before, okay, that can be our particular support area. And if you want to see one more confirmation like Fibonacci retracement, if I want to draw that, as you can see there, market it is exactly in that particular point or particular zone 23.6, and maybe it will rebound from this particular area. Okay, so that can be possible scenario, or that can be possible momentum or possible movement. So from my suggestion, or if you ask me, Mr. Boom, what you can do without proper confirmation or without market opens, we can't say anything or we can't do anything. So we already have a buying confirmation over there. So if today's day is market day, I just want to take a buy entry over there, buy over there. Our SL should be near that particular area, and our TP should be, and first TP should be here, and then TP should be here. Okay, that could be a proper zone to buy. Okay, but we have to wait till the market open, and we need to wait for that. Market can be open with a big gap or a small gap, or it can be open from that particular area. So we have to wait till the market open or till market open. Okay, then if it give us a buying confirmation, then we can take a buy entry over there. And suppose this is the big zone for 4 hour. Okay, this is the big zone for 4 hour, and if you want to take 1:3 risk reward ratio in that particular area, you have to wait for a buying confirmation. There is already a buying confirmation to go buy, but we have to wait till the market open if you want to trade with 1:3 risk reward ratio. As per this is 4-hour time frame analysis, you have to keep your SL 100 pips and your TP should be 300 pips, okay? Or if your SL 200 pips, your TP should be 600 pips as per 1:3 risk reward ratio in that particular area, okay? And if you ask me, Mr. Boom, what we need to do, we need to wait for now to see where market is going to open, okay? And if it give us a breakout, then we will wait for a pullback or retest that particular zone or that particular area. Then after the candle confirmation, we can take sell entry, but nothing is valid right now. We have to wait till the market open, okay? And one more thing, you have to also keep your eyes on Donald Trump specs, US court specs, and other thing like geopolitical issues and trade balance, a lot of things, okay? So till that we have to wait. And if you ask me, Mr. Boom, what for a small time frame trader or a scalper, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, I am a scalper or my equity is very small, what I need to do? Okay, let me take a screenshot first for the higher time frame to make a thumbnail or make a proper thumbnail. Let me delete all of longer time frame analysis, and if I want to go especially want to M15 time frame for scalper, let's wait till the market up comes. And as you can see there is a lot of candles, a lot of thing happening around there. And if I want to see the trend lines from there to there, or if we consider the false breakout over here, okay, and if I want to draw another upper zone or upper channel, as you can see there, okay, and we have to wait breakout either there okay, then we will wait for a retest or pullback. Same for the bearish side, we will wait for the retest or pullback, then we can take a buy entry depend on the candle confirmation. If we get any candle confirmation to go by here after retest, then we can take a buy entry. Then here same scenario, if we get any sell confirmation there, then we can go for sell. And same scenario will happen there, 1:3 risk reward ratio. If you take 50 pips SL, then your TP should be 150 pips, okay? And we are sharing a lot of technical analysis and a lot of trading tips into our free or public Telegram channel, link in the video description box, so you may join there to get each and every update. What is Donald Trump's concern, what is US court concern, and lot of things. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.